Good morning, and today we're in Ingleton, which is in the Yorkshire Dales, and we've got a dormer bungalow to Softwash, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So it's a painted render. You can see there's quite a lot of algae going on here. So this and here, again, it looks in generally good order. So I'll wander around here. Nice views. Again, I'm not sure what's going on here, whether this is mould or whether this is missing paint, but so I've got here, that top bit there, a bit difficult to get to, but we'll get that. Again, quite a lot of staining here. And again, quite a lot of algae. And then this bit here, again, I'm not sure what's going on with this. But, yeah, really nice. Oh, out here, let's have a look. So through here, I think we've got Ingleborough. Can't see it at the moment, but there's a mist, but that's Ingleborough through there. And then we'll clean up all the gutters. Bit of a rust spot down there, we'll get rid of that. And this little extension, it's not too bad. So, let's see how we get on with this one. So we finished this property now at Ingleton, and I'll show you what it's looking like. We've obviously done all the walls all the way around. This gable end was particularly bad, and so what we've done, we've actually put 2 treatments on it. We've hot washed it, and we've now just left a biocide on there. So any remaining spores will drop off, and we've done this property in readiness for it to be painted. So you can't really paint over the top of algae mould because basically it comes through the paintwork. So once it's cleaned and the algae mould is killed, you've then got a clean surface to then decide whether you want to leave it as it is or paint it. Well, in this instance, they're going to paint it. But all the window bottoms have all been treated. So again, this gable end is cleaned up well, but there's a bit of missing paint, and down the bottom there's a few dead spores. But I think what they're going to do, they're going to see what it looks like after a couple of months and then decide whether they want to paint it or not. And then once we get round to this side, again, it's cleaned up well, but there is missing paint. So a bit of a misty, damp day today, but we can work in all weathers. The only time we can't work is when it's frozen. So last week we couldn't work because it was below, I think it was -7 at one point. And we say we can't work in those conditions because our hoses freeze, and you don't want to be spraying water and chemicals on the wall when it's minus, because we don't want it to blow the render. So if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.